Hey everyone, welcome back to another video with me. This week I decided to film all of my bagel breakfast recipes. I really hope that you can take something from this and that you'll find it enjoyable. For the first day, I am mixing some frozen blueberries with some whole milk Greek yogurt, which is an amazing combination. I can't believe I've never thought of it before. But yeah, I then spread put, I guess, some agave on top for some sweetness. So yeah, this is my breakfast. And I also start off every morning while eating breakfast talking to my parents because, I love having that relationship with them, and it's nice to talk to them before I leave for school. So for day 2, I am making everybody's favorite type of toast. Literally the thing that is so basic, but I made it anyway because it's really good. So today I'm making avocado toast on a bagel. Yeah. So I was gonna do half an avocado, but that wasn't enough and that wasn't gonna fill me up. So I did a whole avocado. I added some salt and pepper and some lime juice, and yeah, I put a tomato on top and some everything but the bagel seasoning that I got from Sprouts, and it was delicious. It kept me full for so long, and you can't go wrong with avocado toast. Again, this was really delicious. Highly recommend this combination. So you better try it and tell me that you did in the comments. So for day 3, I actually had the day off from school today, so I had a really long time to make breakfast, which was so nice. I loved it. So my parents actually plant pumpkins in the backyard, so I decided to make some pumpkin jam, I guess, with some cinnamon and nutmeg, and then I put it on top of a cinnamon raisin bagel, which was the best combination. I loved it. And also you can see that I cut my bagel unevenly, but it's okay. It happens, and that is the reason why I only put pumpkin on half of the bagel. For the 4th day, I had class online in the morning, so I also had some extra time to make some breakfast. So I decided to make the sunny side up egg and cheese that I had in a previous video, except this time it was on a plain bagel, and then I put cream cheese on the other side because I did not want a plain bagel. So yeah, it was really delicious as it was last time, and you definitely need to try this one as well. And since I had some extra time, I decided to watch some Hulu before my class, so that was great. And finally, the last day of this bagel breakfast week, I was feeling incredibly lazy and short on time, so I did a classic cream cheese on a bagel, and I put some amazing everything but the bagel seasoning, and it was great and delicious. Did not fill me up that much though, so I had some Vietnamese sausage on the side, but it was great. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this inspired you to go out and eat a bagel. I love you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video.